What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy bringing it to you from the Average Model Dungeon. This is what we got. I finally fixed that little spot on there. It is no more. And I attempted to do some carpet. Not too happy with it, but most of it will be covered up. Anyways, wanted to do some blue carpet on the inside. I gotta get that down a little better than that. Doesn't look too bad, I guess, but I don't know. Anyways, we are going to be tackling some interior stuff. We're gonna got all that stuff painted. I'll show you that here in a second. See what else we got. Should be able to get all this. I already got the firewall in. A couple pieces that need to be added to that I haven't done yet, and then all the interior pieces we'll get the pedals, steering wheel. Probably want to get to that point, maybe even get as far as this here, getting the radiator in, and maybe get it rolling, and then we'll end the episode or end the series with the body for the next video. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got done with the interior. This is the color I went with. I think it turned out pretty good. Here's the dashboard. A little bit of detail work inside there. And here are the seats. Yeah, so that's what we got. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff snipped and attached, and when we come back, we should have a nice interior. Oh, and I did the, let me see if I can find it. I did the roll cage. I'm not doing the roll cage in blue, I'm doing it in this burnt metal color. Wanted it to be a little bit different from the interior, show that it's kind of like aftermarket, if you will. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this snipped and on there, and we'll be back. All right, I'm popping back in for a second. Just so you know, the instructions do have you drill out the holes for the roll cage. It says right there, drill. So I lined it up the best I could, and then two little marker spots, and then drilled it out. I scratched off there thinking that the holes were up there someplace, but nope, that was wrong. But hopefully some of the stuff will cover all that up, so I don't have to worry about repainting it. But yeah, wanted to hop on and show you guys that little tip there. All right, I'll be back once we get more of it on. All right, fellas, I'm gonna wrap it up here. This is what we got. Got our interior done. Let's see if we can zoom in on this a little bit better. Heck, you can see the speedometer a little bit there, and the tachometer there. But yeah, got the interior completely done. Got our radiator on. Batteries in there. Yep, we are looking good. We are getting pretty close to being done here, so I am going to wrap this episode up. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post videos. And I will, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for sticking around, guys.